and just chat. Got 409's DNA.
Check it out, it's a noodle. Her saliva's on here. I'm gonna give it to Joseph Banks, but he said we need one more hacker's DNA.
Apparently, we need Foom's DNA now. What does Foom have to do with any of this? And since Chat's plan works so well with that outfit and with 409, I'm actually friends with Foom. Maybe I just take him on a friend date, you know?
Yeah, it'll be so easy for you. He's like, I want V to be my best friend.
I wish Qwaint was my new best friend.
We can even just go squishy shopping. I feel like that's gonna be easy peasy, lemon
Squeezy.
Yeah. All right, let's call Foom up right now.
Okay, I better get off camera. Don't let Foom see our faces, guys.
Oh. Hi, Foom.
Hello, V.
Hey, what are you doing today?
Nothing.
Let's go grab lunch together. My treat.
Sounds good.
Okay, meet me at the park in 10 minutes, okay?
See you there, V.
Whoa, that was way too easy, V.
I wish I could get a date that easy.
Oh.
All right, Foof is still a hacker after all, so I feel like I need some backup just in case he plays another trick on me.
I wanna go.
I wanna go.
I do not want to go. I had enough dates for one day, right, Melvin?
Yeah, I'm over it. Let's just bring this thing to Banks.
All right, yeah, we'll go down the hatch and give this to Banks.
Let's go to the park.
All right. Okay, guys, we're at the park. Looking for Foof.
What the heck? He said he'd be here.
Well, I guess while we're waiting, how do you think you're gonna collect his DNA? There's different ways.
Chad used the noodle.
You gotta get like his saliva or his tears.
Tears?
Gonna make him cry?
No, I can't make him cry.
He's too nice.
I think I'm gonna keep with the food plan. Maybe I'll just take some of his food or something.
Is that Foof?
That's Foof?
No way. Is that him? Yeah, that's definitely Foonf.
He doesn't seem like the pickup truck type.
I thought he would be driving like a Volkswagen or something.
Regina, me and you better leave. This is
Yeah.
your
Friend
friendship date. Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll
Okay.
speak to you through your ear if you need help. We'll make sure everything goes perfect.
You got your earpiece in, right?
Yes, I got him in.
Okay, nice. Good luck,
All
B.
right, bye.
Okay, bye.
We'll be hiding.
All right. OMG. Foomf got a new outfit. Can you see that?
Foof is looking fresh.
Are you sure that's Foonf? I've never seen him wear that before.
Got a bow tie on?
Oh, here he comes. He looks excited.
Oh,
Whoa.
he just dropped something.
Is that a bow tie? What?
Let's go find out what he dropped.
Hello.
Hi, Foomf.
Hi. Ready for lunch?
Yeah, I'm ready for lunch. You look nice. I like your outfit today.
Dankeschön. Me too.
You like it too? Oh.
Yeah, your outfit is okay. Kinda bad.
Are you ready for lunch, Foomf?
I have an idea.
You do?
I have something prepared.
Cool. What is it?
Come with.
He dropped this right here. Let's go. Maybe this is some like top secret Project Zorgo information or something. Wiki how? How to succeed on a first date.
Foof thinks this is a first date,
He looked up 3 pages on how to go on a date?
and he printed them out.
And look at this one. It's starred.
Go on a picnic
to take advantage of nice weather. That's what he's doing right now. Wow, that's so sweet. But this was just supposed to be like a friendly get-together, not a date. Foonf thinks it's a date.
Foof misread the invitation.
Foonf has a crush.
Foof has a crush! That's kind of nice, having a crush.
Really?
What?
I'll show you my new whip. Check it out. You like?
I didn't know that you were a truck driving person.
Come on in.
Onto this truck?
Yeah.
Who's gonna drive us to the lunch place?
Oh, I think we have picnic.
Oh!
Oh.
Oh, are you tired or something? Let's just move on to the picnic.
Okay.
While you're preparing this picnic, I'm gonna just go real quick, freshen up, you know? Foomf is acting really strange, you guys. I'm gonna call Daniel and Regina and see what they think. Do you guys see that? Did Foomf try to put his arm around me? Why do you think he's acting that way?
Foof thinks it's a date.
Date? What do you mean date? Foomf thinks we're on a date? Oh my gosh, I'm a married woman. This is gonna be so weird, you guys. Okay, I think Foomf is coming back. I'll call you guys back. Bye. Oh, wow. Foomf, what is this?
Hello. I made a DIY bratwurst station. We have bratwurst, cheese, buns, and sauerkraut.
Oh, that is fantastic picnic.
Dankeschön.
Dang!
Whoa.
Look, Peasy Foof came prepared.
Wow, Peasy Foonf is a real charmer. He came prepared with a picnic blanket, a box full of goodies.
You know what? I wouldn't mind going on this date.
Like picnic?
Yeah.
I make you bratwurst. You want?
Yeah. You're not hungry?
No.
No?
My stomach, it feel like butterfly, you know?
Oh, yeah, I know.
Dang it, PC Foom's not eating.
What do you say his stomach feels like butterflies?
Oh, like when you get all that jittery feeling in your stomach?
When you're like around somebody you really like.
Uh-huh. Usually when that happens, it's hard to like eat because the only thing you're feeling is the love bug.
Yeah. How are we ever gonna get his DNA if he doesn't eat any food?
And his hands are covered with gloves.
All we need is one bite of like a hamburger or something, and his saliva will be on the hamburger bun.
It's a bratwurst, Daniel.
What?
You eat bratwurst like this?
Yeah.
Weird!
V needs our help. Let's phone in.
Okay, alright.
AOV, what's good, my dog? So Foom isn't eating, that's bad. But does he have any drinks? If you tell Foom that drinking makes your nerves go down, he'll drink, put his saliva all over that cup. We grab the cup, mission complete.
Yeah, do that, V.
Ask him for some drinks.
Okay, I'll ask him. Foomf, do you have anything to drink?
Drink?
Yeah.
9! I forgot the milk!
Whoa, jeez, buddy, calm down.
You know, Foom, he's very dramatic.
He thinks he just blew the whole date.
Because he forgot the milk.
Doesn't he know that V is lactose intolerant and doesn't like milk?
Yeah, he brings milk and cheese.
If you have a crush, you know everything about them.
I'm sorry, V.
That's fine, but I can't even drink milk, so it's fine.
What about ginger beer?
Yes, I like ginger beer.
Okay.
It's non-alcoholic though, right?
No alcohol.
Okay, I'm gonna be right back.
Okay, I hang out with friends.
Okay, new friend. Keep him busy, kitty. Go. Guys, Foom is not eating anything. He's like too nervous or something.
There's no way he'd say no to some ginger beer. So what if I just go to the store and buy some?
PC Foom can't know it's you, Daniel. Good thing I have a bag of disguises.
You would, Regina.
Got an apron in here.
I'll be your waiter, V. Foonf will be so impressed. He'll eat anything that I give him. Oh.
All right.
Okay, I'm gonna go buy some of that ginger beer, and I'll be right back in disguise.
All right.
Here we go.
Hi, Foom.
Hi.
Oh,
You get the ginger beer?
I called a waiter to bring us a ginger beer.
Okay, I got you something. You know how you always give me presents?
Yes, every time I see you, I have to give you a present.
Close your eyes.
Okay.
Open!
Ah,
It's a heart!
oh my gosh, there's words on it.
Show Spy Ninja!
Oh gosh. Okay, here.
Hi, Spy Ninja. If you know what this means, comment below.
Thanks for this, Foom.
Oh! Who you?
I am V's personal waiter, and I am here to make your picnic also extravagant.
Oh, V, you did this for me?
Yeah, it's our special lunch meeting, so yeah.
Yeah! Dankeschön!
Somebody ordered
Ginger beer!
Yeah! It's one of your favorites, right?
Yeah, you know.
I know a lot about you.
Really?
Yes.
She's cool, right?
Oh, V is the sweetest girl in all of the land.
Yeah, I'm one lucky man.
Take a whiff of that, will ya?
Smell like home.
A couple of sips of this, and your guys' day will be oh so extraordinary.
I like extraordinary.
Ooh, that drink looks so delicious. You should have some.
Oui, okay.
Okay.
Just one sip, and that's all you need. Oh, shoot.
Oh, Daniel! You know what? The Spy Ninjas, they always call me the clumsy one. I think Daniel's clumsy too, if not just as clumsy as me. Now Foom's all mad at...
Are you okay, Foom?
Dang!
Oh my gosh! Foom, why are you so mean?
What if Foom gets so aggressive? He never fights. He's a hugger, not a fighter. Maybe it's because Daniel is ruining Foom's big date, and Foom's getting a little embarrassed.
Wait, Foom, what are you doing?
My leg! Oh!
Daniel, don't say your leg. That's a dead giveaway. Daniel says, my leg? All the time. Insert flashback.
My leg! Somebody hurt my leg? I mean, oh, that hurt like 1,000 suns.
Are you okay, waiter?
Oh, yes, just a tumble, I'm used to it.
Okay, let's get up. Let's get up.
Let me go
Waiter.
back to the kitchen.
Sorry about your car.
Okay, enjoy the rest of your picnic. I'll be out with more hors d'oeuvres. I can't believe
So
that
close.
worked.
Where's your mustache?
It fell.
Oh, it's right here. Put it on later.
Okay, Foom, some of these cheese looks very delicious. You sure you don't want to have any?
9. I fart.
Sauerkraut?
9.
How about this drink? It's so delicious. I think you should have some.
There's only 1 sip left.
PZFund has the drink. Just drink it now.
You don't want?
No, I don't want it. You should have it.
Okay.
That's it, Fund. Drink it, drink it.
Yes.
Oh, you're drinking it.
Put that saliva on there.
He did it.
Yes.
It's good.
Yeah?
Now she just needs to take the cup and bring it home to us.
Oh, here, let me hold this for you.
I don't want your germ. You have your own cup.
Great. Cheers.
Oh, it seems like Foom doesn't like sharing cups. He doesn't want to give it to V. He says it's gross, her saliva.
Oh yeah, sharing germs is
Kind of gross.
kind of gross. It depends on who it's with.
But I guess Foom doesn't want to share germs with a spy ninja. Let's phone in V.
Come in, Daniel, Regina.
What do we do, V? We gotta find a way where you can just, like, get his cup.
I almost feel like Foom know what I'm trying to do.
Wait, I have an idea. Have you heard of the cup game from Pitch Perfect? The one where they go like... You know? Because then in the game, you switch cups. Just end it when the cup lands on you. Take the cup.
Oh, I don't know. Okay, I'll try it. Look what I have. Have you heard of the Cup song?
Yeah.
You have?
You like too?
I like it. I like it a lot. Oh, let's try to play it.
Yeah. This my cup.
Okay, this is my cup.
Where PZ30 love? You know him?
Yes, I do know him.
He loves cups.
Yeah, I think he only likes the red ones though.
He's so funny.
Is he?
Yeah, a little weird.
Are you ready, Mom?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Looks like a monkey.
Why is he so into it?
If he's trying to impress V, I don't think that's gonna work.
Oh, I'm impressed. A little bit.
That's all it takes?
Yeah, I feel kind of bad for him. What? He just flung the cups everywhere.
Oh no, which one is V's and which one has the saliva from Foonf on it?
Oh,
That's a horrible idea, Regina.
It was working until Foom became Monkey Boy. Oh, you know what? Dress up as waiter again, save the day. Just be like, let me take your cups.
All right,
take
cool.
both of them.
I'll do that.
Bye.
Can I get one of those cups or both
I
of them?
don't know which one yours.
Oh,
Excuse me, everyone. It is me again, waiter Josephine.
Hi, waiter Josephine.
I just stopped by to see if I could take anything off your hands. Dirty cups.
these cups are really dirty. You should give it to him. He's gonna clean it very nicely.
Yeah, really dirty. It has V saliva all over.
Okay, I will take both.
Sorry.
I'm confused. Does he think he's on a date or is he dissing me? Foom, what are you doing?
I'm going to go clean these now. I'll be right back.
Hold on.
What are you doing to him?
Don't move.
Get your arms off of him.
Help me.
That's inappropriate.
Help, what's going on?
Daniel smells like sauerkraut.
I don't know what you're talking about. No, this is just...
Daniel!
no, hey!
Why Daniel here?
You know what, Foof, this is, Daniel. I asked him to come here and be our waiter. He likes dressing up. This is his waiter outfit.
Daniel, leave.
Just give me the cups and I'll be on my way.
9. Daniel here. I go home to Black Pyramid.
Oh, no,
No.
Foof, no.
No.
Wait, Daniel, did you see Foof's hair?
Is that what that was? Hair peeking out of the mask?
Yeah, it was like crossing through the eye hole.
What? They can see Foom's hair? I can't see it from over here. What color is it? I've always wanted to know.
It was like blondish looking.
I didn't know that he was blonde.
Wait a minute, there's DNA on hair, right?
Absolutely. Maybe I can extend this somehow and just pluck a hair out of his head.
You just pull the hair right out of his skull. You do that, V. I'll go back to Regina.
Yeah. Okay. Foof, wait.
Yeah,
It's not over yet. Our lunch meeting.
he's not done.
It's not done yet. Aren't you having fun?
He's okay.
What about we do some TikTok dance moves?
TikTok?
Yes!
Okay.
Yeah!
Daniel,
I'm such a bumbling idiot.
that was a good idea about getting the hair.
Yeah, you're right, because hair is filled with DNA.
She just goes, caca, takes a piece of hair, mission complete.
Yes. And with that DNA, we give it to Joseph Banks, and he can unlock the secret that's below the hatch.
Okay, Foomf, who is your favorite TikToker?
I like Charlie D'Amelio. He does dances. You do dance.
Oh, you're moving a lot. Okay, Renegade it is. Okay, I'll do it. We've done the Renegade before?
Yeah.
Is it something like this?
That's no Renegade.
It's not?
9, you do VRoblox?
Yeah, that was V-Robux. You know me so well.
VRoblox is fun, but TikTok better.
You're not being very nice, Foomf. You've been dissing me a lot.
Cause masters say I'm too nice, I'll be mean now.
Yeah, you got something on your mask there.
Nothing. You watch me do TikTok.
Okay, alright.
Whip.
Whoa! Wow! Oh!
You like it?
That was really good moves, Foomf, but you have something on your face. I'm gonna put the camera down. Let me see more of those eyes.
Oh, V's going in for the kill.
There you go. Just take it.
Get a piece of hair. It's plucked.
You know what, V? I think we should just be friends. Yeah.
What?
I'm not into you anymore.
Someone got rejected.
BZ Fruits just rejected B? I never saw that coming.
I didn't either.
What?
What do you mean anymore?
Well, you asked me on date, duh.
I asked you on a lunch as friends, because we're friends.
Yeah, on a date to be more than friends.
What?
And I realized after eating lunch with you, and then you eat bratwurst wrong, you can't do TikTok dances. You can't eat cheese. Honestly, I think I find myself nice German girl back home.
First I didn't even ask you on a date. It was just a lunch thing. I like my outfit and I can't eat cheese. I don't care if I can't dance TikTok very well. And I can eat the bratwurst. What? Let Foomf go. Hey!
What do you think you're doing, TZ Phones?
Let him go!
We told you not to hang out with the spy ninjas anymore, and what's this? A date?
It's not a date! We went on a lunch meeting and he thinks it was a date. It's not a date!
Well, prove to me that you're actually a Project Zorgo member and not on a date with a spy ninja.
Okay, dude, calm down. Here, check my pocket.
A lock-picking kit?
I stole her lock-picking kit.
What?
It's part of the plan. I'm part of Project Zorgo.
Oh! That was intense.
Foomf just took V's lockpicking kit. He's kind of bad.
What? So that wasn't a real date to Foomf either?
He just stole from her.
That was all part of his plan?
Well, maybe it was part of his plan, but also he wanted to go on a date.
Oh, wow. Peasy Foomf.
You dirty dog.
How can you do that? I thought we were friends!
I'm part of Project Zorgo.
I can't believe you do that to me! Foomf! What's going on? I cannot believe this happened. It wasn't even a date in the first place. Anyways, I can't believe Foomf betrayed me like that and took my lockpicking kit. It doesn't matter, guys. Okay, gotta focus. The important thing is that I got the DNA. I got his hair strand, and that's all we need. We need to get this back and give it to Joseph Banks. Okay, Danny and Regina, here I come.
Oh, okay, let's meet up with V. Let's go, V.
Guys, I found Foomf's hair. I got his DNA.
Nice.
So now the big secret's gonna be revealed because we have Foomf and 409's DNA.
We need to get this down to Joseph Banks. Wait, let me take a look at this. BZ Foomf has blonde hair? Whoa.
Oh.
I would have never guessed. I guess he is German.
Alright guys, make sure to watch tomorrow's video because we're gonna reveal the big secret of the DNA. So make sure to subscribe to me, to Chad, to Daniel.
Everybody.
Everybody.
All the spy ninjas.
BZ and I the best fighter.
Everybody. Okay, thank you to all your subscribers who show up whenever I post a brand new video in the first 60 minutes. I'm showing you comments right here. Hug, kick bomb.
Kick bomb.